Dear friends, do you know these modal verbs and its uses? In this video, we learn English grammar, a very important topic, modal auxiliaries, example with answers, which is very important part for any kind of examination. Here are modal verbs: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, and apart from this there are auxiliary verbs also like can, could, be able to, but there is little bit difference. Can and could are modal auxiliary verb. Be able to is not an auxiliary verb. It uses the verb as a main verb. We include this for our inconvenience. Same like have to and must. Must is a modal auxiliary verb. Have to is not an auxiliary verb. It uses the verb have as a main verb. We include have to here for convenience. Shall, will. People sometimes say that there is no difference between shall and will, or even that today nobody uses shall except in offers such as shall I call taxi. They say the same thing about should, but it's not really true. Would. We use the modal auxiliary verb would mainly to talk about should. We use the modal auxiliary verb should mainly to give advice or make recommendations, talk about obligation, or talk about probability and expectation. Use the next useful table, which is very useful for examination. Read it carefully. Here are enlisted modal auxiliaries and here uses of that auxiliaries also. So you can take screenshot for your better understanding, and you need to by heart of this table. Here we learn about examples with answers. 1. I shall buy a scooter next month. Use modal auxiliary showing ability. Answer: I can buy scooter next month. Here, shall is replaced by auxiliary verb can, which shows ability. Second, student may obey their parents. Use modal auxiliary advice. Answer: students should obey their parents. Here, may replace auxiliary verb should. Third, they need to be protected. Use modal auxiliary showing obligation. Answer: they must be protected. Here, need replace auxiliary verb must, which shows obligation. You should do what your teacher tells you. Use modal auxiliary showing possibility. Answer: you might do what your teacher tells you. Here, should replaced auxiliary verb might showing possibility. 5. I will teach you this lesson next month. Use modal auxiliary showing less certainty and answer: I may teach you this lesson next month. Here, auxiliary verb will replaced by may, which shows less certainty. 6. Can I come in? Use modal auxiliary showing permission and answer: may I come in? Here, auxiliary verb can is replaced by may, which shows permission. 7. Will you give me a pen? Use modal auxiliary showing request. Answer: could you give me a pen? Here, auxiliary verb will is replaced by could. 8. She will enter the class. Use modal auxiliary showing prohibition. Answer: she may not enter the class. Here, auxiliary verb will is replaced by may not, which shows prohibition. 9. You must try doing more exercise regularly. Use modal auxiliary showing advice and answer. You should try doing more exercise regularly. Here, auxiliary verb must replaced by should, which shows advice. And last 10. May you put this book on the shelf, please? Use modal auxiliary polite request and answer. Could you put this book on the shelf, please? Here, auxiliary verb may replaced by could, which shows polite request. Dear friends, write down all the examples in your English notebook, which will be very helpful to you.